Okay, as you can see, the cord is just really thin and chintzy. I didn't really like that too much. And then here's the wall mount and the screws to put it up. And as you can see, it's not even a Phillips head. So you gotta sit there and watch your screwdriver slip and slide off of that thing until it's completely screwed into the wall. Another bad design feature. And it's not very strong. If you turn it on and just leave it on and not even vacuum the carpet, but just leave it in the air where it's not contacting anything, it dies in 10 minutes after a full charge from brand new. The suction, see that? It can't even pick that sheet up. And as you can see, I got a bunch of gnats that I vacuumed up. Those are all in our kitchen right now, and I'm just trying to get rid of the pesky things. So it did that, but even then, a lot of them got away because the suction's so weak. I mean, I spent a lot of time just getting those, but I got most of them for the day. Now, if you turn it off and on a lot, rather than just leaving it on, it will last a lot longer. But still, 10 minutes seems kind of weak for what you pay. I used to have the BLACK+DECKER pivot type hand vac that pivots all the way out in like 180-degree angle or better. And it finally gave out because I got liquid in the motor and rusted it out. But that one was much stronger. So if you're going to get one of these, get one of those pivot models. And this one's only rated at probably less than 12 volts, whereas that pivot one I believe was more like 18 or 20 volts. So that makes a big difference. Also, this one's got this flapper valve. That's what's keeping these bugs in there so they can't escape. But you have to have it tilted this way. Otherwise, that valve just instantly pops right open. See? It's not very strong, so you have to keep it in this angle just to keep the bugs from getting back out again. Put that back. I did test it last night and left it at that angle, and the bugs did not escape, and they did not get out any other way, like through the motor end or anything. The filter and everything kept them secure inside the unit until they died. I've read a lot of reviews saying that you can get a hold of BLACK+DECKER and tell them how long the battery is lasting, and many times they'll send you another one and tell you you have the one with the bad battery, whatever that's supposed to mean. Sounds kind of fishy to me. But anyway, I'm going to put up with it for a few more days, and I may send this thing back. It's a piece of crap. It just has no power.
Okay, here's my review for our new little handheld vacuum. So this is why we bought it, for the bird cage, because our bird does this. So I think it's to be a hassle dragging out a big vacuum to do that. So let me just show how well this works. It's great. Pretty good sized stuff like sunflower seed shells, peanut shells. Picks up light things like feathers really well too. The big stuff and the little stuff. So see, notice how much cleaner that is. Just really quickly. Let's switch hands here. Okay, you get the idea. It works great. Easy to empty, just pop this button right here and you just empty it out and ready to go again.
I love this thing. I got it because I'm kind of a clean freak, a clean, neat freak. And I like it when I don't feel like doing the whole floor, but I need to clean up a bit. It does come with attachments. I keep it plugged up. You can keep it plugged in, it says, to keep it running. When you first take it out of the box, you want to go ahead and charge it because it's not going to be fully charged. And then you can just take that piece out, leave it plugged in. Take out the filter, you can do that, and there you go.
I bought this for fast, easy cleanup in the house, so I don't have to get my big vacuum out. It comes with attachments for the long, also brush attachments, which are great for baseboard and trim. The ease of the charge comes with an extra long cord, and the unit itself is very lightweight. It is also not too loud.